welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank Remy Forte for sending me over this wig and sponsoring this video today. They sent me over a 6x4 BodyWave frontal wig. It's beautiful and I love it. If you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video. All right, you guys, so we're working with Remy Forte today. This packaging is cute though. What? Yes. And don't mind the stains on here. Why? I feel like half of the shirts I own now have oil stains on them, and I'm just so tired of throwing them away. So I'm wearing this. So we get some wig caps. Then we have the wig. There is a little tag on here. It says it's a 4x6 lace BodyWave glueless wig in 24 inches. Okay. Yes, they're right there. All right, so here is the wig. Beautiful, love the texture. It is 180% density. Here is the lace. It is pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. So very, very beautiful. Inside, the wig is constructed like so. It is 6 inches left to right, 4 inches back. Yeah, so 6 inches left and right, 4 inches deep. We have adjustable elastic band with the grip strips. On the back, you have another grip strip that goes along the sides, adjustable on the sides as well. With 3 combs, left, right, and 1 at the bottom. I think I'm gonna do a side part with like some kind of tight wand curls. But yes, it feels really good. It smells good. It's not tangly at all. No snagging. Love that. So yes, let's go ahead and get into this. I'm not gonna pluck or anything. I really don't feel like I need to pluck at all. I'm just gonna put this on and we're gonna start styling. All right, so first, this wig is glueless, and you probably can wear it glueless as well because it's sitting very, very flat, as you can see. I would just put like some foundation powder on the lace. I think I might throw just a couple of baby hairs in here because my hairline comes out like all the way out here. So just to camouflage that, I like to put 2 baby hairs here sometimes. Sometimes it's necessary. But yes, okay, so now I'm just going to speed through me styling this hair. So I'll talk to you guys in a second. Can we talk about this melt? Wow. I've installed this wig, you guys. It is a glueless wig, but I did decide to lay it down with some even Wonder Bond. But it laid down. Do you see this lay? I have a little baby hair on this side as well. Again, it is a 6x4 closure. It's BodyWave. They said 24 inches. I did wand curl it, but I don't know. It's kind of giving like 20, 18. It's giving like a stretch 20, I should say. But nonetheless, it is beautiful. I did go in with my wand curler. This is a oldie. I've had it for so long. It's like a Revlon curler. It gets a little smaller at the tip. Went in and curled the hair. It is beautiful. Let me show you guys the back real quick. I was hoping it was gonna be long enough to like cover up my little oil stain. Have my oil stains been bothering y'all? I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you've been staring at them the whole video. I'm sorry. But yes, this is the wig. It is beautiful. It's 180% density, BodyWave, 24 inches, wand curled it. Put some foundation on the parting, did a couple of baby hairs. And yes, she's beautiful. She has a lot of movements, lots and lots of movement, lots of body. She curled really, really easily. It is a BodyWave texture, so I know that it's going to hold the curl for a while, which is also great. BodyWave hair is like perfect if you want to be curling your hair. But yes, so Tell me what you guys think about this wig in the comments below. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I want to thank Remy Forte again for sending me over this wig and sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.